The pollen filter on your vehicle is designed to stop dust, pollen and other small pollutants from entering the ventilation system. Over time, this filter can become clogged, resulting in poor airflow around the vehicle. It's recommended to change your pollen filter every 12 months or so. Always check your vehicle manufacturer's handbook to ensure you have the right filter for your vehicle. To start, locate the pollen filter housing. In this case, it's at the passenger side footwell. For demonstration purposes, we've removed the glove compartment for a clearer view. Release the catches or clips on the side of the housing and remove the filter. Make a note of the direction of the arrows on the filter. Then, use a vacuum with a thin-ended nozzle to clear out any loose debris from within the housing. Insert the new filter into place, making sure that it's the correct way round, with the directional arrows in the same direction as the original filter. Resecure the clip, and you're good to go. For more videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.